Working on the combine. Had to take the boot back because some of the hinges were welded on it crooked at the factory, so John Deere's gonna have to replace that for me. Get it here, probably won't be here Tuesday, but we're gonna pull the machine out, tear into the top half of the clean grain elevator, see if we can't get that apart. We're gonna put a whole new chain in it and dry sprockets while we got it apart. It's the original one. Combine's like 13 years old, so it's time for some of that maintenance. So here we go. All right, so I got the drive pulley off up here. Now I'm pretty sure we got to open this door here up and then take off them bearings and that collar. Take off them and that collar. And that should slide out of there. The drive sprocket's down inside of here. So here we go. Let's see. Uh-oh. I already dropped one bolt. That's no good. That's apart now. Let's see if I can find this bolt I dropped first. Oh. Bleeding. That hurt. Oh, blasted my head. And that grain tank piece over there. Let's set this there. Well, there went that one. That's all bent up there too. All right, so I just let the chain fall all the way to the ground. I gotta replace this drive sprocket, which is pretty worn. I'm glad we chose to do that. We got some bent parts there. The camera picks that up or not. But a little more carnage than I was expecting. Gonna have to figure that out. Nothing to it. Got the drive sprocket out there. You can see how wore it is. The teeth on that are about shot, really. It's a good thing we're changing this. I'm gonna take the shaft down and replace the bearings on it, bring it back up, be able to slide it back together. We got some bent metal in there, right there. Gonna have to bend that back straight. Otherwise, came apart pretty easy. I'm pretty happy at this point. Alright, so we got her tore apart. I got the bearings off. Forgot to turn the camera on and film me cutting the old bearing off this end. But she went back together smooth. Got the new sprocket in. Gonna put the new pulley on here, or I guess the old pulley, onto the shaft. And be one step closer. to getting her done. Oh. Going downstairs. All right, we got this all buttoned up here. Back shut, everything's looking good. Pulleys on. We gotta replace that belt, so I'm gonna leave that shield off for now. The elevator chain went in nice and easy. Had the nephew Jacob helping. He's a big help today. All these jobs usually take 1.5 guys, and we got 2.5 today. I'm the half. That's the 2.5 over there. Without Jake and Herc, we get nothing done around here. Now we're waiting on some more parts for down here. The boot that had the bad hinges on it. We'll get that in and be ready to rock and roll. Get to shelling some corn.
And Jacob's a poopy pants man. 80 pieces of pants. Poops and pants. Ah!
Oh man, you got me there.
You do some video action, Jake.
I ain't got nothing good to say.